like him.
Don't interrupt the judge.
All right, so this is what you need to listen. And I want you to internalize what I'm saying. It doesn't matter if you were to get 6 months in this case and go and do your 6 months time, you know what would still happen? If there's a civil protective order out there, when you got out of jail, that protective order would still be there and you all still would not be able to live together. That protective order doesn't have anything to do with the 187th District Court. It's a civil matter. A civil court probably enacted that. This case is a possession less than a gram case.
Okay.
I didn't put a protective order on, for you against your son or whatever, because this is a drug case. And there's nothing that would have come to me through a police report that suggests that you even have children. This police report doesn't mention anything about you having children. All it mentions is that you were day drinking. So.
And by the way, Your Honor, you've said this several times, with so many other cases running around, I've never been able to determine that myself. But I can go to the civil side of the court once, and I think I should, and find out how I can advise my client on that. But with respect to this court, as I understand it, there will be no order of
Well, what I can tell you is,
if it happens.
if there is a civil protective order, and if he violates that, guess what? I'm going to get a motion to revoke, and it's going to say that he broke the law.
No, I got time served on that charge, so that protective order went away as soon as I got time served.
Okay, here's the thing. Those are two separate matters.
I know it was a misdemeanor court 11, and the judge, he gave me credit for time served.
All right, but let me just tell you, protective orders are civil. They're not necessarily criminal. They only become criminal when people are violating them. Then you can get a criminal case for violation of a bond or protective order, but they are civil in nature.
Family bond with my son, they put a protective order.
Yeah. So that has absolutely nothing to do with
And they
this.
signed an affidavit of non-prosecution. I never actually assaulted him, but I was drunk and I was a fool.
Your Honor, if I could, I think what I need to do is, I think you can go through with this. And we've requested not to have that condition here, but we have to honor the conditions of a family court. I will do that for him and advise him specifically if there is or is not one.
Okay.
Daniel, like you said, Texas, honestly, I've not seen anything on the protective order. I've seen the violation of bond. I feel protective order case that's currently open. Not seen the protective order. I'm trying to ask if someone from protective orders can verify that.
Yeah. And that violation bond protective order, that's a misdemeanor court.
Yes, sir.
So that needs to be handled with the misdemeanor court.
So I just don't know if there's an actual protective order that's not verified.
And I think that, if they did, I think they closed.
All right. So are you employed, sir? Are you employed?
No, I'm retired.
All right. Retired from what?
63 years old. I'm retired. I worked.
No, I mean, what did you do in your
I
past
worked at
life?
a restaurant for 14 years, but I can't work with a hernia right now.
Okay.
I got it in the county jail.
All right. The court then will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. Restitution to SAPD for drug testing. $150 hours of community service restitution. And if he brings me proof of the herniated disc that he can't do community service hours, I'll figure out something else.
Okay. Oh,
There's going to be daily sober support meetings until further notice. Proof of employment or disability within 60 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Make sure he's tested for alcohol. Field visits, one time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else?
Would you like us to do a tap?
Yes.
Definitely, John.
Okay, TAP evaluation, follow all TAP recommendations. And probation, if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Do you need anything else from her to be successful?
No, I really appreciate you having the opportunity to send me over there because the program is an excellent place to get recovery.
Oh, I'm so glad. I think it's a
It
great,
changed my life, my outlook on everything. So I've internally accepted that I can't drink. So that's a big plus for me.
all right, awesome. And if you ever feel like drinking, that's why you pick up the phone and you call somebody, okay? Even if it's to call probation and let them know. All right?
Okay.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal? You need to say yes or no for the record.
Yes,
All right. Did you sign it?
yes,
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, good luck to you. Probation is going to go over conditions with you.